Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Mortal Kombat Mobile. First of all, launch or open the Mortal Kombat game on your device and make sure that you're inside the home page. From the home page, go to the settings icon at the bottom left corner and tap on it. You'll then come across the settings menu where you need to go ahead and scroll down and look for this option over here. That is the language option. Simply tap on it and on the next page, choose a different language you want to change to for your display. Once making a selection, tap on OK at the bottom and you have successfully changed your language setting in Mortal Kombat application using your Android or iOS. So that is how it's super easily done. You can always get back to the same menu and choose to a different language of your preference whenever you want inside the game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.